I think I messed up. I used to think labor disputes just meant strikes. But there's a whole law in India that keeps things fair for everyone. So here's the scoop. The Industrial Disputes Act 1947 is a major law in India that helps settle fights between employers and workers. It was one of the last big laws passed before India's independence. Pretty cool, right? The act has 4 major jobs. First, it sets out ways to solve problems at work, like through conciliation, arbitration, and courts. Second, it protects workers. So if there's a layoff, retrenchment, or even if a factory shuts down, workers can get compensation. Third, it makes sure both bosses and workers play fair. No unfair treatment allowed. And fourth, for certain big companies, the government has to say okay before any layoffs or closures happen. There are special roles too. Conciliation officers help fix things before they get out of hand, while labor courts and tribunals act like referees for bigger fights. Oh, and workman is a legal term, including almost everyone working for a wage, except top managers, soldiers, and police. Now, some people say the act makes the job market too stiff, because bosses need government approval for changes. But others argue it's super important to protect workers' rights and keep things peaceful. Bottom line, the Industrial Disputes Act helps keep work-life fair and balanced in India. Smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Catch you later. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what's right. See you next time. Liked this? If you found this helpful, share it with your friends and family.